Welcome back to S Mobile, your go-to channel for the latest smartphone updates. Today, we're diving into the Redmi 14C, Xiaomi's budget-friendly powerhouse that offers an impressive blend of features at an affordable price. Design and display. The Redmi 14C sports a sleek design with a durable plastic back and a stylish finish. It features a 6.71-inch HD Plus LCD display, offering vibrant colors and decent brightness for everyday use. The thin bezels and waterdrop notch enhance the viewing experience, making it ideal for watching videos and browsing. Performance and hardware. Under the hood, the Redmi 14C is powered by the MediaTek Helio G85 processor or Snapdragon variant depending on the region. Combined with up to 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage, it ensures smooth multitasking and gaming. It also supports expandable storage, so you never run out of space for your apps and media. Camera setup. For photography, the Redmi 14C boasts a 50 megapixels primary camera, accompanied by a 2 megapixels depth sensor. The AI-enhanced features allow for decent low-light photography and crisp daytime shots. On the front, the 8 megapixels selfie camera is great for video calls and social media uploads. Battery and charging. A 5000 mAh battery powers the Redmi 14C, ensuring all-day usage without interruptions. It supports 18W fast charging, though the included charger may be slower, depending on the region. With optimized power efficiency, users can expect long standby and screen-on time. Software and features. The phone runs on MIUI 14 based on Android 13, bringing a smooth and feature-rich experience. It includes customizable UI options, system optimizations, and essential security updates. Additionally, it supports a rear-mounted fingerprint scanner and AI face unlock for secure and convenient access. Final verdict. The Redmi 14C is a solid choice for budget-conscious users looking for a capable smartphone. With a large display, good cameras, a reliable battery, and decent performance, it offers great value for money. Let us know in the comments what you think about this device. Thanks for watching S Mobile. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech updates.